start the hearing as well as balancing mechanism of the. So ear is nothing, it is just a statoacoustic organ. It control hearing as well as balancing of the body. So first we start it is divided into three compartments. First is external ear, middle ear and internal ear. We already discussed about the structure aspect of the all three departments. Now we come to the internal structures. So internal structure contain cochlea. So cochlea is cochlea having three chambers: outer chamber, middle chamber and inner chamber. Middle chamber vestibular canal, upper chamber middle chamber median canal and lower chamber tympanum canal. So these are the canals. So first, and in this chamber perilymph as well as endolymphs are filled. So now in the vestibular canal, the base of the vestibular canal is called that it contain a membrane. That membrane is called Regenus membrane. So now we come into the median canal. So median canals having the organ of Corti. So organ of Corti is the orchestra of the many other apparatus. So in organ of Corti contain Regenus membranes. Here is the Regenus membrane, and lower of the Regenus membranes is called basilar membranes, where the sensory cells are. Once it vibrates sound membranes which activate the sensory cells, and then sensory cells connected to the nerves. That nerve is called auditory nerves, and then the signals goes to the brain. So inner part is called filled with perilymph, called tympanum canal. So this is the structure of the cochlea. So having the three chambered upper, middle and lower chamber, and this is the organ of Corti having the sensory cell. So during the hearing process, first during a hearing process, so when the cells or the external ear receive the sound vibration and goes to the internal ear through the middle ear via three ossicles bones, then so sound waves which first stimulate the Regenus membrane, then it stimulates the basilar membrane, a basilar membrane having the sensory cells which activated and goes to the signal goes to the brain through the auditory nerves, and then brain also cortex region of the brain contain auditory areas. So these areas help in the hearing process. So this is the mechanism related to the hearing. Another one is the balancing process. So it is the membranous membrane. It is the structure of the membranous membrane. So it is a semicircular canal and cochlea. So cochlea already discussed, and semicircular canal having anterior canal, posterior canal and lateral canal. So these canal having fluid and endolymph which direct the head movement, and the two swelling structure utricle and sacculus. Utricle help in vertical movement, sacculus help in lateral movement. So these structure all over control the balancing process, and the base of the semicircular canal, that the swelling structure is called ampulla, which contain the crista and which help in dynamic equilibrium as well as rotational movement. It is all about hearing as well as balancing the body. Okay.